Air India Flight AI-171 ready to depart for London. On board are Captain Sumit Sabharwal, his colleague First Officer Clive Kunder, and approximately 242 passengers, including crew. The aircraft is a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner. The takeoff was smooth from the runway to the skies. Everything unfolded just as it should. From the outside, the aircraft looked normal, showing no sign of trouble. But that calm was short-lived, until, in the blink of an eye, everything changed. Let's take a closer look at what happened in more detail. At about 1 minute into the flight, the aircraft had reached an altitude of approximately 625 feet. The altitude of the airplane kept decreasing and decreasing and decreasing until the plane crashed into a hostel. About 231 people died in the crash, with only one miraculous survivor, marking one of the deadliest tragedies in aviation history. We'll uncover the chilling truth behind what really happened, and how Boeing's decisions and the plane's flawed engineering played a devastating role in this catastrophe. The story truly begins in 2018. Boeing, the largest manufacturer of airplanes, was known for its safety, sturdy design, and highly efficient aircraft. It was one of the most trusted names in aviation history, until...
Begin in Indonesia, where a Lion Air flight crashed into the Java Sea near Indonesia's capital shortly after takeoff this morning.
The Boeing 737 MAX 8, carrying 189 people on board, tragically crashed with no survivors. Just 4 months after the tragic crash of Lion Air Flight 610, Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302, carrying 157 people on board, also crashed with no survivors. Both disasters involved the Boeing 737 MAX. Both aircraft were grounded, and a thorough investigation was launched. During the search for possible causes of the crashes, investigators came across an unfamiliar term: MCAS. Further examination of Boeing's technical documentation revealed that MCAS, short for Maneuvering Characteristics Augmentation System, was a software system designed to automatically push the aircraft's nose downward to adjust its pitch in certain flight conditions. It's a simple software, right? But MCAS is the one responsible for both the Lion Air and Ethiopian Airlines crashes. This is how it works. MCAS is a software system that works with a sensor placed at the front of the plane. It constantly monitors data from an angle of attack sensor, a small device on the side of the plane that measures the angle between the wing and the oncoming air. If MCAS thinks the angle is too steep, that the nose is climbing too high, it steps in automatically. Without any pilot input, MCAS commands the horizontal stabilizer at the tail of the aircraft to tilt slightly, pushing the nose of the plane downward. In the Lion Air crash, the MCAS received false information from a faulty sensor, which caused it to keep pushing the nose of the plane down repeatedly. That's how both aircraft ended up crashing. MCAS was only a part of Boeing 737 MAX aircraft and had nothing to do with the Air India crash. Then what exactly happened in the Air India crash? Let's take a closer look. Approximately 36 seconds in, the aircraft began losing altitude despite maintaining a wings-level, nose-up attitude. A mayday call was made, reporting a loss of power or thrust. If you look closely at the plane, you notice something isn't right. Normally, the landing gear retracts after takeoff, but in this case, it remained extended. The aircraft was equipped with General Electric GEnx-1B engines, and some reports suggest that both engines may have suffered a thrust malfunction, leading to the crash into the hostel. More than 280 people died in the crash, with only one miraculous survivor, seated in 11A near the emergency exit, who managed to escape the burning wreckage. Following a thorough search, the plane's black box was recovered, and the full incident of what happened began to unfold. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. These videos take a lot of effort to make. Thank you.